Damn, I didn't even hear nothing. I ain't hear shit. I'm right in the store. Yeah, where they at? Oh, he got away from 10 motherfuckers. It's like 12 cops out the whole squad out here. How did he get away, yo? It's like 10, 12 cops out here, man.
Yes.
Yo, 12 cops out here, ain't nobody in custody. That's crazy. That is crazy. Look at how this dude look. Word. They ain't even get him. That nigga did a Houdini on him.
Wait a minute. So y'all really that ass nigga?
He gone, man.
Y'all can't wait.
He gone. How 12 of y'all can't get this? Yo. That's crazy.